In this video, we're going to take a look at the Adam Audio T8V powered studio monitors. These are incredible studio monitors that offer full, clear, transparent sound. These are a fantastic choice for anyone who needs accuracy and clarity in audio playback. The Adam Audio T8V powered studio monitors feature an 8-inch polypropylene woofer and a 1.9-inch UR accelerated ribbon tweeter. They have a frequency response of 33 Hz to 25 kHz and can produce a maximum SPL of 118 decibels. The monitors also feature a rear-firing bass reflex port and a range of connectivity options including XLR and RCA inputs. The T8V speakers also include a range of EQ options allowing users to tailor the EQ to fit their personal preference or the room's acoustics. Now let's take a closer look at the sound quality of the Adam Audio T8V monitors. The first thing that you'll notice when you listen to them is their exceptional detail and clarity. The high frequency response is particularly impressive, with the UART tweeter delivering crisp, clear treble tones that are never harsh or sibilant. The mid-range frequencies are also well represented, with the T8Vs providing accurate vocal and instrumental tones. The frequency response to the T8Vs is impressive, with the low end going all the way down to 33 Hz. This means that you really don't even need a subwoofer when you're using these monitors. The low end just sounds full without being boomy or overwhelming. The T8Vs have a very natural sound that's very transparent. There's no coloration or distortion. This makes them excellent for use when accuracy is critical. It allows you to hear every little nuance of a recorded audio track, or if you're playing guitar or bass or keyboard through them, then your instrument sounds just like your instrument should. If you want to add a little more color to your sound, then the high and low frequency boost and cut switches on the back are an excellent way to do this. Overall, the Adam Audio T8Vs are excellent studio monitors for anyone who's looking for accurate sound reproduction. The combination of Adam Audio's UR ribbon tweeter and the excellent 8-inch woofer provide a very balanced, natural sounding speaker that can be enjoyed by just about anyone and at any volume. The monitors are well designed with a range of connectivity, customization, and with a sleek, modern look. Whether you're playing or mixing music, editing videos, or just listening to your favorite tracks, the T8Vs are sure to be exceptional studio monitors that will last you for many years. Thanks for watching this video. I have links to the T8Vs in the description below. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about these speakers, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it.